It's great to experiment around the kitchen, but it's also great to know a couple of handy tips and tricks when it comes to spices and herbs. Check the colour of your spices. Make sure they're still vibrant. If their colour has faded, chances are so is their flavour. And to test freshness of your herbs and spices, rub them in your hands. If the aroma is weak and the flavour isn't apparent, then it's time to replace them. The freshness of spices and herbs can be maintained longer if they're stored in airtight containers. Keep these away from heat, moisture and direct sunlight, as these elements will speed up the loss of flavour and aroma of the herbs and spices. Also avoid storing over the stove, dishwasher, sink or near a window. Try not to sprinkle spices and herbs directly from the bottle into a steaming pot or saucepan. Repeated exposure here to heat and moisture will hasten flavour loss and could result in caking. Instead, measure them into a cup, a measuring spoon or bowl and then add to your recipe. For more handy hints and tips, go to mccormick.com.au.